This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So give F110 in the command box. Press enter. Give F110 in the command box. Press enter. So give the run date as today's date 06/07/2019, and identification you can give any 4-digit or 5-digit code, alphanumerical, all you can give all alphabets or numbers or combination of both. So just I am giving MMI1 for my easy remembrance sake. Okay. So then click on parameters tab. Click on parameters tab. But before clicking on parameters tab, just look at here. I come again, just a second. See, before clicking on parameters tab, if you see the message, no parameters entered as yet, because we haven't given any information, any inputs we have given. We have not given any inputs. Therefore, system is telling that no parameters entered as yet. So click on parameter tab, then give the company code, our company code MMI1, payment method 0. Next payment run date, you can give any date, tomorrow's date or after 10 days or after 15 days. So depending upon the interval, frequency of interval, how business organization wants to execute this program, whether twice in a month or once in a month. So basing on the usage, the next payment run date shall be given. So just I'm giving 06/08 06/08/2019. Then give the vendors to whom we wanted to process the payment. So just as we have only one vendor, I'm giving only one vendor, from vendor as well as to vendor. If we have multiple vendors, we should give range. Then clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah. Click on status tab. Click on status tab. Status tab. Once we click on status tab, system will ask us to save the data. So click on yes. Click on yes. And get the message parameters have been entered. Get the message parameters have been entered. Parameters have been entered. You can see the message here.
Yeah.
Parameters have been entered. Then click on additional log tab. Click on additional log tab. Additional log tab. Then select due date checkbox. Due date checkbox. Then select payment method selection in all cases checkbox. Payment method selection in all cases checkbox. Then select line items of the payment documents. Select all the checkboxes except the third one. Due date check, payment method selection in all cases, and line items of the payments documents. Select all checkboxes except the third one, payment method selection if not successful. Then here accounts required, give the from vendor and to vendor 1119301, 1119301 to 1119301. Vendors 1119301 and 1119301. Okay. After giving vendor from and to, press enter. Write down carefully. Press enter. Then click on status tab. Click on status tab. Status tab. Visible?
Yes.
Click on status tab. Once you click on status tab, system will again ask you save the data. So click on yes and observe careful. Parameters have been entered, and you can see the one more message in the bottom left side. Details have been saved for the run 6719 MMI1. Okay, then click on proposal tab, which is also called a schedule proposal tab. Click on proposal tab on the top in middle tab. Click on schedule proposal tab. Click on schedule proposal tab. Select start immediately checkbox. Here you can see select start immediately checkbox. If you do not check this, at what time you want to run the proposal, that start time shall be given manually here. You have start time, you can see here start time. If you do not want to select this checkbox, that is start immediately checkbox, you have to mention the time at which system has to run this proposal, run this payment proposal. Our system has to work on this payment proposal, but in general we do not give the time. Even in real time also we select start immediately checkbox. So select start immediately checkbox, press enter. It will take some time, please. Press enter. And get the message, proposal is ready to be started. Visible this message?
Yeah.
Proposal is ready to be started. Okay, then proposal is ready to be started. Continuation, please. Click on status on the top left, status tab. Here you can see on the top left. I hope it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Click on status. Sorry, write down like this. Don't write click on status, write down like this. Keep clicking on status tab. Keep clicking on status tab. Keep clicking on status tab. Keep clicking on status tab till the message till the message till the message payment proposal has been created. Till the message payment proposal has been created. Till the message payment proposal has been created appears. Till the message payment proposal has been created appears. Have you taken till this point?
Yeah.
Then click on display proposal. Click on display proposal. Display proposal tab. Display proposal tab. Write down very carefully. Ensure that payable amount must have been selected by the system. Must have been selected by the system. I repeat, ensure that payable amount must have been selected by the system with green indicator. With green indicator. With green indicator. Ensure that the payable amount must have been selected by the system with green indicator. So what exactly is this green indicator? As we got green indicator, we can understand that whatever the procedure so far we have followed, that is correct and no mistakes have been committed by the end user. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so click on back, click on back, then click on payment run, click on payment run, schedule payment run, click on payment run and select start immediately checkbox, select start immediately checkbox. Manisha, as we have
Yeah.
clicked on payment, yeah, as we have clicked on payment run tab, what system will do internally is, the moment we clicked on payment run and we clicked on start immediately, internally system will perform F-53 to process the payment.
Okay.
Okay, what is F-53? F-53 is the transaction code we were using to process manual payment, correct?
Yep.
So now, since as we have, once we clicked on this payment run tab, system will perform F-53 internally in order to process the payment made to the vendor. Clear?
Yes.
Right. So select start immediately checkbox. Select start immediately checkbox. Press enter. Press enter and get the message payment run is ready to be started. Payment run is ready to be started. Payment run is ready to be started. Continuation, please. Keep clicking on status button. Keep clicking on status button, status tab. Keep clicking on status tab till the message, till the message, till the message posting orders generated and completed. Till the message posting orders generated, completed appears. Keep clicking on status tab till the message posting orders generated and completed appears. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Then click on printout oblique data medium tab, last tab. Click on printout oblique data medium tab. Printout oblique data medium tab. You can see here RFFOUS underscore C. You can see system is showing different programs: RFF OAVIS, RFF OEDI1, RFF OUS underscore C. If you have remembered
Yeah.
very well, this is the
Yeah. We have
program.
specified
Yeah,
this.
we have specified in the configuration,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So against to that, write down very carefully. Against to that, give the variant. You can give any 4-digit code. Just I am giving MMI1 for my easy remembrance sake. MMI1. Next, write down very carefully. I go very slowly. Click on maintain variants on the top left. Click on maintain variants. Click on maintain variants. Maintain variants. Then select for all selection screens radio button. Select for all selection screens radio button. Select for all selection screens radio button. Click on continue here. Click on continue. Visible continue.
Yeah.
So click on continue. Then give the run date, program run date, today's date 06072019. 06072019. And identification feature, you can give any 4-digit code. Just I'm giving our company code, MMI1. Program run date 672019, identification feature MMI1. Then paying company code, our company code, right? MMI1.
Yeah.
Then payment method. Here payment method must be what is the payment method which we have created? 0, right? To represent check payment, we have created a payment method called 0. Remembered? Hello? Hello? Am I audible, Manisha? Hello?
Yeah, sorry. Actually, my connection was hampering. That's
Okay, okay. So
why.
till what point you have taken notes?
Paying company code.
Yeah, paying company code is MMI1.
Yeah.
Paying company code is MMI1. Then payment method, we have created payment method 0.
Yeah, 0.
Right? By default, it will be C. You need to change it to 0.
Okay.
We need to change it to 0. Then house bank. If you remember, directly type, or else you can take the help from the system. House bank MMI1B. Then account ID. If you remember, directly type, or else take the help from the system. Account ID. Then check lot number. Check lot number. Check lot number we have created earlier. Check lot
Yeah.
number. Then currency INR. Currency INR. Currency INR. Carefully write down. Do not miss anything to note down. Then select print checks checkbox, print payment advice notes checkbox, print payment summary checkbox. Select print checks checkbox, print payment advice notes checkbox, print payment summary checkbox under print control section. Select print checks checkbox, print payment advice notes, print payment summary checkbox under print control section. Okay. Right. You can see here printer. In the printer field, in real time, actual printer ID will be given. So for practicing sake, we give a dummy printer code, that is LP01. So give LP01 for all printers. LP01, LP01, LP01. 3 times. And select print immediately checkbox, print immediately checkbox, print immediately checkbox. Print immediately checkbox, print immediately checkbox, print immediately checkbox. Clear so far?
Yes.
Then scroll down the page. Scroll down the page. To scroll down, just click on this here. Bottom right side, you can see. I am keeping my cursor on that. Okay.
Yes.
So click on that. Screen will be scrolled down. Right. Now remove. See here, number of sample printouts, by default it is 2. By default it is 2. Just remove that or delete that. We don't need sample printouts. In real time, we keep it as it is. Okay, sample printouts will be used for checking whether printing is coming correctly or not, check is getting printed correctly or not, right? Then
Yes.
Then select do not void any checks checkbox. Bottom left side you can see. Select do not void any checks checkbox. Select do not void any checks checkbox. Then write down very carefully. Click on attributes tab on the top left. Click on attributes tab on the top left. Give the meaning is nothing but description. So just I am giving automatic payment automatic payment program. Automatic payment program. You can give any description, Manisha. Need not be automatic payment program. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then write down very carefully. Click on save and get the message variant MMI1 saved. You can see the message bottom left side.
Yes.
Click, yeah. Get the message variant MMI1 saved. Then click on save again. Click on save. Get the message values of variant MMI1 saved. Values of variant MMI1 saved. Okay. Then click on back. Click on back icon and click on save. Click on save and get the message details have been saved for the run on 6/7/19 MMI1 and get the message details have been saved for the run on 6/7/19 MMI1. Details have been saved for the run on 6/7/19 MMI1. Write down very carefully, please. Click on printout tab. Click on schedule print or printout tab. Printout tab. Select start immediately checkbox. Default it will be selected, but if it is not selected, you need to select it manually. So select start immediately checkbox. Then you can see here job name ended with a question mark. This question mark will not be read by the system. Therefore, remove the question mark and give any name or description, letter or number, whatever you want, you can give. So just I am giving MMI1 or 1 or 2, whatever you want you can give, but there should not be question mark. By default, question mark will be there at the end of the job name. That question mark shall be deleted or removed. We have to remove and give some one or any characteristic, any digit or number, letter, whatever you want you can give. So then press enter and get the message print job F110-2019-0706-MMI1 has been scheduled. Please note down the message very carefully. Get the message print job F110-2019-0706-MMI1 has been scheduled. When you practice, this date might vary because you might be practicing tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after that. And company code, if you are using the same company code, you will be getting the same. Otherwise, The company code, the codes you have given, those codes will appear in the place of MMI1. So get the message, print job F110-2019-0706-MMI1-MMI1 has been scheduled. Continuation, please. Click on system on the main menu. Click on system on the main menu. Then services, 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 services. Then click on output control. Click on output control. System, services. From there, click on output control. Write down very carefully. Click on output control. It takes some time, please. Yeah. Then click on execute button. You can see the execute button here. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. You can see here. See here, you can see some error log, payment summary, payment advice, check payment. Forget about this error log. It is a normal, you need to ignore it. Payment summary. If you click on this, it will give you payment summary. How much amount has been paid? See, to the vendor Mirage, payment amount is this much. Okay. And document number generated is 60,001. That means system has performed F-53 internally. Automatically system has performed F-53 and processed payment made to the vendor. And you can see some more details like how much is the amount. In words also you can see which payment in which company code. Okay, which payment method? Zero. Here you can see zero means payment method check. Okay, then click on back. Click on back. See here, if you click on this, it says payment advices. Click on back, click on that. You can see here payment advice generated by the system. We don't need to prepare manually. System itself has generated payment advice. See, dear Miraj, so and so, dear sir, oblique madam, we have cleared the items listed below with the document number 6001. So just scroll down. It will show you the documents. These were the purchased, these were the documents which got processed when we processed invoice. When we processed vendor invoice, these were the documents with document type KR. So against these invoices, this payment document has been generated by the system. So payment details will be there in payment advice. Then click on back. Here, if you click here, check payment system, you can see the check which will be generated, prepared by the system. Generally, we will write it manually. No, we don't need to write it manually. When we use APP program, system itself will prepare. System itself will prepare and print the check. See, check, Miraj. Dear sir, madam, we have settled the items listed below the enclosed check for payment 60,001. See here, 60,001 does not indicate amount. It indicates payment document number generated by the system. Subject to the goods and services supplied and the invoices therefore being in order. Document, your document date, deduction, gross amounts, everything. See, scroll down. Sum total. This is the check. This particular portion is the check. See, this MM1234 Limited. What is this? Our company. Right. In real time here, that authorization also will come appear here. Signature, digital signature will appear on this. Okay. Observe carefully. Did we create this check? Did we write it manually? Physically, did we write?
No.
No, system has printed, system has prepared, and as it is, how we are able to see on the screen, as it is, it will be displayed, it will be printed by the system.
Sir, one
Okay,
question.
so please.
This automatic payment program, whenever there is items to be cleared, it will do it automatically, or we have to just give any notification on that.
Not sir, automatically it will give.
But that merchant has to be set up as automatic payment.
Yeah, that is what we have given the vendor number range, no?
So if any in future, if any payment is there for the same merchant, then it will
Yeah.
automatically clear it.
No. Automatically it will not. Again, you have to run the APP program. You have to run.
So is there any setup that on every month will if there is any payment, we can do it automatically?
Automatically, you can do that. You can set that. But
Uh,
standard SAP doesn't support that. You need to improvise this standard APP program given by provided by SAP.
and one more thing, this check issuance will be given by the bank only, no? Companies are not allocated.
Why? Why so?
Mostly,
Sir, sir, you are owning a company. You have purchased something from me. Now, who has to give check to me?
no,
You or your bank?
but the bank logo will be there on that, and everything will be the
No,
company
although
logo.
this is not company logo. See here, you can see the details of the check, bank details.
Okay.
Bank
So,
details here you want to print bank logo.
no, usually when we issue a check to anybody, okay, it will be through the bank. Okay, it will, company cannot issue on its own. That's what my concern is. So how can we print
Why?
the checks?
No, why company cannot give checks to others?
No, usually when bank, they will give you the bank numbers, checkbooks. No, based on that only we can give it.
See, checkbook. See, Maharaj, you have set up a business called Mrs.
Yes,
Maharaj. Okay,
yes,
you have opened a bank account, and your
yes,
business organization will be provided with a checkbook. Correct?
yes,
That checkbook you will write it manually and you will hand it over to your vendor for making the payment. Correct?
yes, sir, correct.
Your vendor will go to his bank and he will encash it.
And
Clear?
cash it. Yes.
Now tell me your question.
No, I'm telling check printing. In this
Ah,
automatic
correct.
payment. No.
Yeah, your question is valid question. See, in that case, what banks will do is it will only allot you the we call
Check
them as
numbers.
digital checks or online checks. We call them as,
Uh,
it will provide you only numbers, and those numbers will be locked. Same number range of checks will not be allotted to any other customer of the bank.
so it will be mostly for corporate customers only.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Not only for corporate, for business people, you can say. Okay. See,
Okay.
basically, SAP is a very, openly speaking, SAP is a very costly ERP.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
SAP will be used by very big concerns, not small, medium scale business organizations. No, sir. Right?
Yes, our corporate levels.
Yeah, all corporate levels. Majority. Your query is very much excellent query. Right. Okay. But the point here is, whatever the numbers allotted to you, check from number and to number, that you need to maintain in the system.
Okay.
Because unless you maintain, how system will pick up the check number? Correct? No.
Okay. So when we are giving the range, when
Hmm.
that time only we should mention there,
Correct,
isn't
sir.
it?
Correct. Yeah, correct. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So click on back. So that's how. Click on back. Again, click on back. Again, click on back. That's it. Your vendor payment has been done. your vendor payment has been done. See, as we have seen check creation, we can come to know that we have understood that payment has been done. But there is one more way also we can make when cross check whether payment has been processed to the vendor or not. How can we ensure that? Any guess?
GL account balance.
GL account balance or vendor line items balance?
Balance.
Yeah, vendor line items balance. So last step, not required, but just for your information sake only I'm giving. Miraj, hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Miraj, your understanding and approach towards the subject is excellent, but only concern from my side is if you can join in time and if you practice regularly, definitely I'm saying you will rock in SAP.
No, the problem is that I have a job now. By the time I come to home, it is
Yeah,
taking a time.
okay.
And there is no fixed time allocated in my office that you should leave on this time. Coming time it is okay, but leaving time there's no fixed time. You have to sit
Oh,
if the work is there.
okay, okay. But I suggest you to go through the at least recorded videos.
No, no, I'm going through it. Every day I'm
Yeah,
sitting on that.
yeah, yeah. Because right. So last step, step number 7. Step number 7, display vendor line items using FBL1N, FBL1N, and ensure that the payable amount to the vendor is 0. Display vendor line items using FBL1N and ensure that the payable amount to the vendor is 0. So now give FBL1N in the command box. Give FBL1N in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the vendor number 1119301. Give the vendor number 1119301. Company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, there are no due items. But looking at this, basing on what we can say that so and so amount is processed for payment through APP program. What would be the
Document
base?
type.
Correct, document type. See, document type is generally when we process vendor payment using F-53, we use KZ. Now, if you see here, it is ZP. ZP. This is the document type which we have maintained in the configuration setting automatic payment program. When we have done configurational setting with respect to automatic payment program, we have maintained document type ZP, and for this ZP we have maintained number ranges in OBA7. Just I'll show you. We go to document type ZP. See, against 20 we have maintained 60,001 to 70,000. From this number range, system has picked up 60,000. Same number you can see here, 60,001. Clear? Okay, right.
Yes.
So this is, yeah, this is what is APP. And before closing APP, when you will be practicing APP, you will be failed for at least 2 or 3 times. Don't get panic when you get failed. Some problem will arise, some error will, some message will appear, it will displayed by the system. No need to panic. If you are getting any stuck up any message, whatever the message or problem you are getting, just post me through WhatsApp. I'll try to respond as early as possible. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Okay, so next topic then, customer management. We haven't done with the accounts payable or vendor management completely. Taxation portion is left over with respect to procurement or vendor management or accounts payable submodule. After completing customer receivable, we will see taxation portion in both accounts payable module as well as in customer management module, that is accounts receivable module. Okay, so next topic, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable or customer management. Sales scenario. Accounts receivable oblique customer management oblique sales scenario. Okay, so far whatever we have seen from procurement end. As a business, as an organization, as a business concern, we have purchased some goods, and for purchase of goods we have processed invoice, and for the purchase of goods we have made the payment, and we have come to know how to process the payment made to the vendor in different modes, like standard payment, partial payment, residual payment, down payment scenarios, manual payment, and automatic payment also we have seen. So now opposite scenario we are trying to enter into, that is accounts receivable oblique customer management. This is from sales point of view, where we are going to discuss customer scenarios, customer point of view. That means when as a business organization, when we sell the products, when we sell the goods to the customers, how the sale made to the various customers will be processed, and for the sales made, if organization is receiving the cash or through bank, how the payment received from the customer will be processed into the system. And also we will be seeing down payment and other settings, other aspects under accounts receivable submodule. Okay, so I would like to stop it here itself. We will start from Monday this submodule, accounts receivable module. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, so Monday same timing, 8 p.m.
I think Jay won't be able to join on Monday. Monday, yeah. I'll go through the
Then
recording for this.
yeah, okay. How about Miraj?
I'll join on Monday.
Okay, so we'll be Monday. Okay, no problem. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, and have a nice weekend.
Okay.
Please do have a practice, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Done.
Yes.
Yeah. And Miraj, I'll be sharing one document which is related to basics of fundamentals of accounting to you.
Okay.
Already I have shared with Manisha. Okay, so
Okay.
it contains around more than 250 pages, but you don't need to go through all those 250 pages. Whenever you get time, first 50 or 60 pages you go through, so that you will get knowledge on fundamentals of finance and accounts.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
Yeah, right now I'll be sharing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Have a nice weekend.